Introducing the all-new Equinox 700 and 900 metal detectors, the next generation of Minelab's best-selling series of all time. Reimagined from the inside out, Equinox 700 and 900 features stunning high-resolution 119 target ID display, the toughest, most robust IP68 waterproof construction, and a compact, lightweight carbon fiber shaft system. Expand your detecting experience with All Tones Audio, which produces a unique tone for all 119 target IDs. A special depth audio setting intelligently varies tone pitch and volume to highlight non-ferrous targets faster than standard audio, effective in areas with dense iron trash. At the core of the new Equinox detectors is a finely tuned multi-IQ engine, driving greater target separation and target ID stability. Choose up to 8 search modes, including gold, to match your terrain. Minelab Multi-IQ automatically fires multiple frequencies at once to detect targets other machines miss. When you want to be in charge, switch to single frequency mode for total control. With fully loaded features like control pod flashlight, red backlighting, and hand grip vibration, plus wireless low latency headphones, you'll see why Minelab's best series just got better. Minelab Equinox 700 and 900 detectors are lighter, smarter, stronger, and feature-rich. There's never been a better time to join the Minelab Equinox revolution.
Nokta Detectors präsentiert den Findx Metal Detector. Ein komplettes Ortungsset mit Kopfhörern, Suchgerät und Tragetasche. Kompakt und leicht. Wiederaufladbarer Akku. Modernes Design und robuste Konstruktion. Unschlagbares Preis-Leistungs-Verhältnis bei hoher Leistung. Einfach zu bedienen. Die ultimative Wahl für Einsteiger. Der Findx findet alles. Schmuck, Münzen, Relikte und Gold. Vollautomatische Suchmodi, Feld, Park, Schmuck und Strand. Die Pro-Version ist bis zu 5 Metern vollständig wasserdicht. Schalten Sie den Engo-Detektor ein. Der Findx Metalldetektor setzt neue Maßstäbe in der Metalldetektion. Macht alte Detektoren überflüssig. Kein anderer Detektor kommt in dieser Preisklasse auch nur annähernd an ihn heran.
This is the Vanquish Metal Detector from Minelab. Simple yet powerful, this treasure detector is perfect for anyone starting out or stepping up their detecting game. It's powered by Minelab's Multi-IQ engine, the same technology professionals love in the industry's best-selling detector, the Minelab Equinox series. With Multi-IQ technology, you get a full range of frequencies that scan and work simultaneously, so you can find all metals in all soils all the time. With Vanquish, nothing goes undetected. With Vanquish iron bias, you'll find less trash. And for those who want even greater control, low iron bias provides optimum precision. Vanquish was born ready. Turning it on will automatically run noise cancel, which puts a stop to any electrical interference, from thunderstorms to power lines, that stand between you and your treasure. With a unique collapsible snap lock system, Vanquish is easy to pack and go. Its lightweight, sleek design means you can detect in comfort for hours without tiring. And a water-resistant control pod with included rain cover and waterproof coil means you can take it anywhere, anytime. Field, park, or beach. Using proven and finely tuned algorithms from the Minelab Equinox series, Vanquish outperforms other detectors in wet sand and salt water. Vanquish is feature-packed, giving you the freedom to detect your way, including multi-IQ technology, beach advantage, pinpoint mode, adjustable volume, Bluetooth wireless audio, and 4 fine modes, including the ability to create a custom profile, waterproof coils, water-resistant control pod, and red LED backlight for low light vision. The Vanquish is available in an 8, 10, or 12-inch coil. More coils equal greater flexibility, detect deeper, more precisely, or in tighter spaces. It's up to you. Vanquish comes in 4 variants: Vanquish 340, Vanquish 440, Vanquish 540, and the Vanquish 540 Pro Pack. Whether you're searching for the best starter detector or the ultimate treasure pack-out, there's a Vanquish for you. This is the new Minelab Vanquish with multi-IQ. And this is truly groundbreaking.